Good morning, students. In our Grammarland textbook, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 13, future time. Okay, future tense. Okay, it is also being called as future tense. How many tenses are there? Okay, there are three main tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, these all the things you all have learned in your earlier classes, and in the first term we have revised also. Okay, so today we are going to study about future tense or future time. Okay, now there are the rules given in your textbook which you need to read it carefully. Okay, we refer to the future time to predict or talk about an action that will happen in the future. Okay, in future time or in future tense, we always used to talk about the action which is going to happen in the future. Okay, it is going to happen. It is not happening or already happened. It is going to happen. That action is going to happen in the future. After some time that is going to happen. Okay, so in future tense we are going to talk about that. We also refer to the future time to express the intention or to make promises. Okay, if we have some intention about future or we have some promises in the future, okay, that time also we refer to the future time or future tense. Okay, let us see a few examples which are given in the textbook. Okay, it will be cold in the mountains. You must take a sweater with you. Okay, now here we are talking about it will be cold in mountains. In the mountains you are going to travel. After some time or in future you are going to travel in the mountains. So there will be a climate cold. The climate there will be cold. So you need to carry a sweater with you. We are talking about future, no? In future you are going to travel in the mountains. For that you need to carry sweater. So it will be cold. Okay? So here in future tense, whenever we are talking about future tense, in the sentence shall or will, these words are used. Okay? These are helping verbs. Okay, I'm going to elaborate it further. I will go to the bakery after I finish playing. Okay, means now I am playing. Once I'll finish my play, okay, my game, I am going to go to the bakery. Okay, in future I am going to go to the bakery, no? After some time, the action is going to happen after some time. So that's why I will go to the bakery after I finish playing. My grandparents will visit us next month. See here, grandparents are going to come next month. So, will visit. My grandparents will visit us next month. Okay. Now just we'll look further the rules. Okay. Will and shall. These are called as helping verbs. We use will, helping verb, plus base form of the verb to show the future time. He will meet me in the evening. In this, which is the verb? Which word is verb? Verb means action words. Yes. In this, which word is showing some action? Meet. Meeting someone is action word. Okay. So before the main verb or action verb or verb, we use helping verb will. He, helping verb, plus base form of the verb, okay, and the sentence. He will meet me in the evening. Nupur will buy the fruits tomorrow. Helping verb plus base form of the verb. Okay. Now this is, we talk about the sentence wherein we discussed about the rules. Okay, the formation of the sentence. Now, if that particular sentence is negative sentence means in that particular sentence, no, I will not, won't, okay, is coming. So that sentence is negative sentence. I will not go to the library. I don't want to eat food. Okay, like the sentence wherein there is no. These sentences are called negative sentences. So what will be the formation of negative sentences? Okay, we'll see. We use will not or won't. We can use will not, or instead of will not we can use won't, plus base forms of the verb in the sentence. If that sentence is negative sentence. Oh, he will not meet me in the evening. Will not. Okay, we used will not and verb. If the sentence is negative, will not plus verb. Nupur will not buy the fruits and the vegetables tomorrow. Okay, see, this is sentence Nupur will buy the fruits tomorrow. And this is negative sentence where she is not going to buy the fruits and vegetables tomorrow. Negative sentence ahe ha? Okay, so for that we are going to write will not buy the fruits and vegetables tomorrow. Okay, we talked about the negative sentence. Now moving on further, if that particular sentence is having a question. Okay, for questions in the first, okay, if that particular sentence is in question, or we also say interrogative sentences. Okay, now for questions in the first personal pronoun, what are the personal pronoun? I and we. Okay, in that sentence if there is a personal pronoun I and we, so we use shall. Okay, more commonly than will, because in all the examples we saw we are using will. Okay, but if we find the personal pronoun in that particular sentence I or we, so we usually use shall commonly than will. Okay, for all other nouns and pronouns we use will. Okay, will or shall may be used for different functions depending upon the sentence. Okay, now there is a sentence, shall I come with you? Shall plus personal pronoun. If the sentence is like this, I come with you, or the sentence will come, can I come with you? So if you are going to write the sentence in future time, the sentence will come like this, shall I come with you? Okay, now this is the answer, shall we leave now? Okay, in future tense. Okay, moving on further, there are few sentences given which you all are going to solve in your Grammarland textbook. Okay, just look. Iqbal finished the entire cake. Okay, now finished, this is which tense? Sentence is in past tense. Finished, no, already finished. Now we are going to write the same sentence in future tense. How you will write? Iqbal will finish the entire cake. Iqbal is going to finish the entire cake. Yes? Now next. Tej also wanted to visit the cafes along the beach. Now how you will write the sentence in future tense? Yes? Think about this. We wanted to write this sentence in future tense. Yes. So the sentence will come, Tej will also want to visit the cafes along the beach. Okay, I'm going to write it here. Tej will also want. Why are we going to write want? Because ed is a form which shows the past tense. Okay, Tej will also want to visit the cafes along the beach. The sentence, the complete sentence you are going to write. Okay, moving on further, we'll discuss Saroj sings at her school's annual function event. Okay, now the same sentence we are going to write in future tense. Means we are going to write this sentence as if it is going to happen in the future. So how it will come? Saroj sings at her annual function. What is the verb in this sentence? Sings. Okay, so before sings we are going to use will, helping verb. Exactly. So how the sentence will come? Saroj will sing. Okay, Saroj will sing at her school's annual function event. Okay, in this way. Now the next question. They don't want to waste time on another meeting. See, this sentence is negative sentence. Don't is there, no, in this sentence. Okay, do not, don't, no. It is negative sentence. So if the sentence is negative, how you all are going to write? Yes, will not or won't we are going to use in the sentence. Okay? So how the sentence will come? Instead of don't, we'll write they won't. Okay? They won't want to waste time on another meeting. Okay, instead of don't, we are going to use will not or won't. Okay, they won't want to waste time on another meeting. Next, which library does she go to? This sentence is of question. Yes, it is a question form. Okay, so how you are going to write this? Yes? Which library does she go to? Which library will she go to? Okay? Do I leave now? How you are going to write? See, it's a personal pronoun. I, we. Personal pronouns, no? So, whenever there is a personal pronoun, we write shall I. Shall I leave now? Okay, in this way. Now the next question is complete the following sentences in the future time with the help of the verbs in the bracket. Okay, in the bracket already the verbs are given. Okay, now the first answer is shown here. Mukul leave for the summer camp tomorrow. So instead of leave we are going to write will leave. I dash to rumors about the people. Not listen. So instead of not listen, this is negative type. How you are going to write if the question is negative? Will not or won't. Yes, how you are going to write? I will not listen. So we are going to write I will not listen to the rumors about the other people. Okay. There dash any more sequels to this film? Not to be. Not be is given here. So again it is negative sentence. Yes. We can write will not or won't. Okay, if we are not sure, they will not. Okay, there will not be. Or we can write another, there won't be any sequels to this film. Either will not or won't be. Okay, will not or won't be. Instead of will not, we can write won't also. Dash, they dash, visit the museum next week. Yes, there is a question mark at the end. So if we are going to write in future tense, question form, how we are going to write? The sentence will begin with will. Will they visit the museum next week? In this way. Okay. Next question, next sentence again. Dash, we dash take the baby along. How are we going to write this one? How are we going to write? Okay, just a second. We is a Personal pronoun. Yes, I and we. First person's pronoun. So we can write here, shall we. Shall we take the baby along? Manu dash submit the report tomorrow. Very easy. Manu will submit. Okay, Manu will submit reports tomorrow. Now, the next rule. Okay, going to. We use going to plus base form of the verb to talk about the action that will take place soon or in the near future. Soon that particular action is going to happen. लवकरच ती action होणार आहे. Okay. For example, I am going to see a film tomorrow. He is going to have a haircut in this evening. Okay, we know exactly this thing is going to happen in the future after some time. Okay, we are very much sure about the action. Okay, they are going to call you in the afternoon. So, going to plus verb, base form of the verb. Okay, we also use going to predict or talk about something that we are sure is going to happen because we have the proof of that information. Okay, the sky is dark, it's going to rain very soon. We are very much sure about the rain. Okay, so going to plus rain. The train is going to leave in 5 minutes. We surely knows that train is going to leave. So going to, okay, plus verb. To show future time, we use a form of the verb be plus going to. Okay? Understood? To show future time, we use a form of the verb be plus going to. I am going to play football. He is going to play football. We are going to play football. They are going to play football. And if it is a question, is she going to play football? Okay? Now there is a box which shows when the sentence is positive, when the sentence is negative, and when the sentence is of a question. Okay, I am going to play football. I am not going to play football. Am I going to play football? Okay? Understood, children? What is positive sentence? What is negative sentence is having no, not in this. And question sentence, of course, we have a question mark in that at the end. Okay. Now, we can use will and going to also. Okay, will also we can use or else going to talk about the future actions. However, we use will when we do not know exactly when in the future that action is going to take place. But when we are very much sure that that particular action is going to happen, then we use going to. Okay, when we exactly knows when that action is going to happen in the future. We will see the museum. Okay, we are not sure when we are going to see the museum. That's why it is we will see the museum. We are going to see the museum now. Means we are sure that now we are going to see the museum. So we have used are going to is used here. My mother and father will have dinner with us. We have used will here. Will have. My mother and father are going to have dinner in 5 minutes. We are sure they are going to have a dinner with us in 5 minutes. So, going to is used. Okay. Now, complete the following sentences using going to and the verbs in the bracket. So, for the verbs which are given in the bracket, those we are going to use here along with the going to. It and rain. So, we are going to use going to and the verb. Verb means action words. It is going to rain. It is going to rain. Okay? So we are going to write is going to rain. Next, Mukesh fall. How are we going to write? Mukesh is going to fall. The glass and break. The glass is going to break. Okay? Next sentence. Radhika, run. Radhika is going to run. They, stairs, climb. They are going to climb the stairs. Okay? Now this last question, complete the passage using the suitable form of the verbs in the bracket. For this, you are going to read the sentence properly, read the verb which is given in the bracket, and this will be your homework. Okay? Read it properly and you're going to solve. The answer key I'm going to send, but before that you need to try it by yourself. Okay? Thank you.